Okay kids, are we ready to make our mouse activity? Can you see this mouse? We read the story of the mouse, right? So we are going to make this lovely mouse. Are you ready? Okay. So before we start making the mouse, let's see what all things we require for that. Okay. See, we require a circle. I think Mama has already made a cutout of the circle. Yes. So we will take this circle. Okay. And one heart. Can you see this heart, children? Yes? Okay. So we have already got the cutout of this circle and this heart. Now let's start making. Okay. So these cutouts we require, and what else we require? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. We require glue stick. We require scissor, but then this is to be used only by Mama and children should not use it. So you can take the help of Mama to just make a small cut in the paper. Okay? But you should be very, very careful. Scissors are dangerous, right? So only child safety scissors. I have taken this scissor, but you should take the child scissor. Okay? Now, what else we require for that? Let me see. We require two googly eyes. See, we require these two googly eyes. Okay, to make the eyes of the mouse. Okay. Then we require one more big black circle, basically to make the nose. Okay. And two more white circles. Okay, to put the googly eyes on it. Okay. And the last but not the least, we require these small little moustaches for the mouse. Okay, can you see the moustaches for the mouse? Okay. So now, is it fine kids? Let's get started. Okay. I have taken this brown color circle. Okay, this is a brown color circle. But you can take of any color. Okay, any color that you want. Okay. So, keep my things little far off, and you also put your things properly, everything spread out so that we can make it nicely. Okay, now this is our circle. First we are going to fold our circles. I'm doing it very slowly. So just see how ma'am is doing. You also do the same way. Okay, see I have folded my circle into half. Can you see this? My circle is into a half. Now I'm making it 1/4. See? Can you see this? Is it fine? Everyone can see it? Yes? All of you folded it? I'm doing it very slowly and I want you all to follow my instructions very, very carefully. Okay, kids? Okay. Now is the time wherein we have to take this scissor and take the help of Mama. Okay? We are going to make a small cut in it. See? A small little cut. Okay? See? I have made this cut till the center. Okay? See this? This was a circle. I made a small cut in the circle. Okay? Now what else we are going? Now we have to keep the scissor back. because it is very dangerous. So let's keep back the scissors, children. Yeah. Now is the time to use our glue stick. Let me open my glue stick. Yes. Yes. Little is enough. So what we are going to do next is that we are going to put, see, can you all see it? Yes? Put little glue here. Okay, little. Nicely put the glue. Okay, see how nicely ma'am is doing, slowly and slowly. Okay, patiently we have to do. Now we'll again close our glue stick, keep it back. Okay, we are going to use it next time also, right? So we have to keep it back properly, and then see how ma'am is sticking it. See, I stuck that. Yes, lovely. Yes, see now. Okay, I stuck that nicely. Okay, now comes our heart. Can you see my heart? Okay, so now I'll keep it aside so that it gets dried up little bit, and I take my heart. Okay, now what next to do? Let me take my googly eyes. Okay, see, I'm going to put the eyes here. Okay, so let's put some glue again. Let's open the glue stick. Put some glue here. Other side also. Correct? See? Now I'm going to stick this white circles. Right? Is it clear? See that? This is our heart. I stuck two white circles. Now comes the turn of the googly eyes. So let's take out our eyes. Okay. See, I've got these two eyes here. Okay. Now we are going to stick again. Put some glue here. Okay. You have to be cautious, children. So let's put these eyes just like this. See? Nice. Yes. See? Two googly eyes. One, two. Now, next. What is the next thing that we are going to do? Okay. Now we have this big black circle. Okay. We are going to take this big black circle. But before that, we have to stick the moustaches also. What we made the moustaches? For moustaches, you know what you can do? I've cut the small thin strips. See? Similarly, you can make these thin strips. And we are going to make the moustache of the mouse. See? One moustache, two moustache. I've got three moustaches for the mouse, but you can make even more. It depends upon you. Okay, so let me arrange this. What you can do, you can keep this heart also that side. Let's take that small black circle that we have. Okay, we'll put some glue first on this. Okay, and let's start sticking it. See, one moustache, two moustache, and one more. The other side. Can you all see it properly? I want you all to finish along with me, okay? Lovely kids. This is a little tricky because these are very thin, but then This is very important, you know. It will help you on with your gross motor skills also. Okay. Yes. Can you see? I have stuck all the moustaches. See? All the moustaches. Now we are going to stick it on the mouse face. See this? Yes. Now let's put some glue here. See? Can you all see it? Yes. Now this is the thing that we have stuck. So we are going to stick it right on the mouse. Now see this? It's coming where? Right. Now we'll take the other part, right? You can see the other part? Okay. Now we are going to stick our mouse face on it. How do we stick? Again we require some glue. We are putting some glue over here. Put glue nicely, okay, so that the mouse face can stick nicely over it. See. This is how we are going to stick the face of the mouse. Okay, see. Now this is done. We have to get the tail of the mouse also. Okay, so for tail what we should do? See, I had this thin strip of that brown paper with which I made this body. With that, I am going to cut one more thin strip, okay, to make the mouse tail. Now this tail, it depends upon you how big you want to make the tail. Okay, see this, right? See this? Okay. Now what we will do, we will take a pen or a pencil, whatever you have, small pen or a pencil, and start rolling it. See, I'll keep it aside. See, I'll start rolling it. I got this pen. So, slowly, very slowly I'm doing it. You have to be really careful. See, I rolled it. So this is how we are going to make the tail of the mouse. Once again, I have to do it. Now we are going to fix this tail and our mouse is ready. Yes, see, put some glue and see. Can you all see that tail? Yes, see that tail?